Hey, hello, this is Jeremy from the Jamin family. I've been working on my 2008 Ford Expedition with the 5.4 Triton 3 valve. The radiator had a leak in it, so I had to take all the front end. I took the radiator out. So when I had it out, I decided to go ahead and do the timing chain replacement and all the gear that goes along with it when I was in here. And good thing I did. You can see the bank here, the chain is really bad, it's really loose, and here's part, one of the pointer here, the guides broke, but I don't think it did any other damage. The truck ran really good, so I don't think it could have, but the cams look good, but I'm replacing a whole bunch of parts just while I have this apart, so because it's hard to get to otherwise. I hate to have to take it apart again just to replace something I didn't do this time. But I'll keep doing some pictures and videos. I'll tell you what, this is a whole lot of work to get this thing apart. I'll tell you the biggest frustration for me, I don't know why, but it was getting this, jump into the power steering pump off the block. The one bolt is like almost impossible to get to. You have to do little 1/8 inch like turns on the bolt. What a headache. I worked on that yesterday and today to get it off, but finally got it off. So like I say, everything almost to the point now where I can start putting parts on, which is a big relief. I've been doing is stripping parts off, it seems like, for 2 weeks. But and by the way, this has 167,000 miles on it. It's had nothing but, since like 50,000 miles, it's had nothing but Mobil 1 synthetic oil in it. Regular oil changes, but it just shows that this timing chains are and the guides especially, and also these are what I was really worried about, is the tensioners, the belt tensioners. This one over here looks like it's collapsed, but it may just been because it's been sitting so long, a couple of weeks without getting started. So anyway, I want to replace all that, but it just shows that yeah, I've seen a lot of people go over 200,000 before they replace stuff, but like I say, since I had to replace the radiator anyway, I decided to break this apart and replace it. So anyway, this is Jeremy from the J-Men family and J-Men Garage, and I'll post some more videos once I get it back together, start getting it together. Okay, thank you.